Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fancy Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform. Okay, so right here on this platform, what you're going to be doing is to complete simple survey, and you're going to be making $1 for every survey you're able to complete. Okay, so this platform actually works worldwide, and all you just have to do is sign up, and after signing up you're going to be getting surveys, and when you complete your surveys you can start making money for yourself. Okay, so on this website you don't have to reach any amount of money before you're able to withdraw. Okay, so this platform pays you instantly on any payment details you provide. So they pay you instantly on any survey you complete. You don't have to wait till you get up to $10 or $5 or 20 or more dollars before you withdraw. Okay, so right here you can see these are the payment options they have. They pay through PayPal, you can withdraw through Coinbase. So there are lots of them. You can see these options here rolling. So these are the withdrawal method. You can redeem your money through Amazon gift card and all that. Okay, so right here this website is actually cool to use, and I'm going to show you real proof that this website is legit. Okay, so trust me, just watch this video from beginning to the end, and by the time you're going to finish watching this video, trust me, you're going to make your first dollar online. Okay, so guys, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on my channel you get notified by YouTube. Okay, so what I basically do on this platform is I make research on apps that pays, survey sites. I teach digital skills and ways you can grow up or make money online. Okay, so guys, if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss out on any of the updates I'm gonna be dropping on this channel. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to take you through the sign up process, so make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end so you won't miss any step. Okay, and trust me, I'm still gonna show you a real proof that this website is legit. Okay, so watch this video till the end as I take you through the sign up process. Okay, but before I take you through the process, I want to show you how this website works. Okay, so I'm just gonna read through some of the content they've provided here, so I'll just read through it so you're gonna just get more insights on how the website work. Okay, so right here you can see how does the website work. So right here you can see if you're looking for, okay, if you're looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you've reached the right place. This process is as simple can be. Okay, so this is it right here. This is what they are telling you, that if you've been looking for ways you can make money online, then this platform is for you. Okay, so right here you can see that the sign up is for free. Okay, you don't have to pay to sign up, it's totally free. Okay, so here they are telling you, tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, and right here you can see start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1. Okay, so that is, and they don't pay less than this. On each survey you complete you get $1, and once you complete it you can get paid directly. Okay, to sign up, they're just going to take you through a few minutes survey. You're just going to answer a few questions. They are simple questions that it's not going to take you even 5 minutes. So once you answer those questions, you just gonna be qualified for having surveys, and then they're gonna be sending you surveys. So once you complete them you get paid. Okay, so you can see survey for you offers the most relevant surveys. We match our surveys to your interest based on the answers in our introductory survey. This increases your chances of completing more surveys and earning cash from surveys. Okay, so guys, you can see basically all you're just going to be doing on this website is to complete surveys, and these surveys are not even going to take you, some will not even take you up to 3 minutes. Okay, so once you complete it you get your money. Okay, so guys, let's do a simple mathematics right now. Let's see if you can be able to be making up to $100 on this website. Okay, so let me open my calculator app right now. So I'm just gonna open my calculator. Okay guys, let's say the exchange rate of naira to dollar is at 500 at the moment, and you're able to get 100 surveys in a week on that website. Okay, so that's like, let's say 500 times 100, that's like 50,000 naira. Okay, that's like 50,000 naira, and this money is not actually too huge for you, but trust me, it's something that's going to cover a whole lot for you at the moment. Okay, so guys, make sure you try out this website. Okay, so I'm just going to take you back to the website account with them. Okay, so once you use the link I'm going to drop in the description of this video, or better still, you can go and search for the name on Google and then sign up, but I'm going to drop the link on the description below, so it's going to be easier for you guys. Okay, so once you just click on the link, you're going to be directed here. So once you get here, what you want to do is just click on this button right here. So once you click on this button, you're going to see options showing you sign up. Okay, so you're just going to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to a page. Okay, it's gonna just bring you to this page, and right here you can see the options you can sign up with. You can sign up with Google, with Facebook, or sign up with your email. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on sign up with email. Okay, so once I click on sign up with email, it's gonna show where I'm gonna just answer a few survey. So once I take the survey and I complete it, that means I've successfully been approved on the website. So you can see they're telling me to okay, help us know you better and find you the best surveys. Okay, so best. Okay, before we start, please answer a few questions so we can match you with the most relevant survey for you. The question will take approximately 14 minutes to complete. So right here you can see it might not even get up to 14 minutes. Okay, so once I just click on start now, they will just keep showing me questions, and once I answer those questions till the end, I'm just gonna get approved, and then I will start receiving surveys from this website. Okay, so guys, earlier I told you I'm gonna prove to you that this website is legit, and right now I'm just gonna show you that. Okay, so the name of this website is surveytime.io. okay, that is the name of the website, surveytime.io. so let me quickly prove it to you that this website is legit. So right now I'm just going to go on Trustpilot. Okay, so I'm going to go on Trustpilot and then type in the name of this website, which is survey, okay, VUI, survey.io. okay, so right here you can see this is the name of the website. They have over 12,000 reviews already. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it, and then let's see what people have been saying about this website. Let's see if it has been paying people or not. Okay, so right here you can see they have 4.4 star rating, and there are lots of people who have rated this platform as well. So right here you can see it is a genuine survey website. It's a genuine survey website. It offers more survey than any other. I suggest if they include direct payment, it will be better option like Pioneer or mobile account. Okay, so right here you can see this is a good survey with 4 star. okay, that's like 8 hours ago. Okay, so this is another 5-star rating which came up 3 days ago. So you can see this site literally pays instantly. Okay, this site easily pay instantly to a PayPal account, but it seems they are more selective in passing surveys that we can do. Overall, this site is recommended for those who want to earn extra income. Okay, so you see, if you want to earn extra income on this website, is actually going to work for you. This website is actually good. So you can see there are lots of ratings, there are lots of testimonials about this website. You can see this is another 5-star rating. You can see here this is another 5-star rating. This is another 5-star rating. Okay, so there are lots of them. You can see, you can just check out the website on Trustpilot for yourself. So you're just gonna see a whole lot of testimonials about this website. So guys, you should go and try this website out if you really want to make extra cash for yourself. Okay, all you just have to do is sign up. So after signing up, you're gonna get approved, and then you start getting surveys you can answer and then make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, once again, if you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out the updates I'm going to be dropping on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I would say thank you for always following up. So guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you like, comment, and then share this video with friends as well. Okay, so follow me through while I keep dropping new updates for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this, and I'm going to see you in my next video.